Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. And as we already discussed about that, we are in the process of discussing the basics, basic background of SAP, just for the beginners, as I was also learning. So trying to, provide the same information to you all. So we already discussed about how the framework is, how they have created a different number of we can say modules are there, and in between there are sub modules are present. For example, material under HR, under finance, there are different sub modules. So what is the next step now? So the another step now is that, first of all, suppose you got something to perform. I mean, you got the order, right? It's basically a software, right, wherein you perform all those things, whatever is happening in your company. And in your company, you remember the example we took it for the flour vendor, right? Initially it was a shop, and afterwards it took to a big business or the organization. So definitely they'll be getting the orders, right? So the first and the foremost step to be followed in the organization is to get the inquiry. Whenever we get the inquiry, that means that the customer is asking for some flowers, right? They need something, so inquiry needs to be written in there. What is the ask from the customer? Another point is that quotation, and then quotation includes every detail of the customer or the requirements of the customer. Then it goes further to the other department, that whether are we able to fulfill that requirement or not from the customer's side, right? So this is the process, starting from inquiry, then quotation, then we have sales order, then we definitely includes the order, right? That is the sales order, which definitely converted into order to cash. For example, you get into a restaurant, right, and you give the order, that's the order, and till the time you are paying it, that's the process from sales to order, right? So that's wherein this picture comes in. You formulated the order there, right, and then afterwards you have to ultimately pay for it. So automatically it's an order to cash process. It's an order, and then you have to pay the cash at the end of the, then then delivery took place. When everything is finalized, then the delivery took place and it's been accepted by the client or customer. Then invoice needs to be sent to that person from the organization side, and then the payment process needs to be done. So this is the process, right? So this was the basic understanding of SAP, which I also got for the very first time. This was a new learning for me. I strongly recommend that you can refer to the other videos wherein they discuss about the portal itself, right? So I'm hoping that would be clear, that would be easily clear. And afterwards I'm thinking of doing the intermediate sessions on SAP as well. So let's hope for best, and till the time you can enjoy learning. Thank you.